What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can pass user testing practice on user test. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and search user testing. After that, just click on this first website of user testing and you will be redirected to this page. Then click on start here and then click on the second option. I want to make money online, get paid to test. Just write your email. After writing, just simply check on this checkbox and just click on get started. This shows that unfortunately they don't have any contributors, list empty, but they will soon pitch us if they have got some opportunity for us. But you can still visit the website for up more updates. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.